Hello, this is Derek Robertson from the School of Education and Social Work. I'm going to run through a quick tutorial about how to use Microsoft Expression, which is a screencasting piece of software that's freely available from the university apps. Okay, listen, what I've done, I've already opened it, okay, and so when you first open Microsoft Expression, this thing here appears, okay? You've got to make sure that you switch on your mic, so you click on that, and as you can see, it's picking me up. Okay, I'm not doing any webcam capture, but you can build that in as well, no doubt. I've never really used that. So when I want to record, what I do is I click on the record button. And then what happens is, you'll see that a window appears. You can just see the bottom red line of it here. If I go up to it's just off screen, the top of the window that I have for my screen capture is at the top. And the dimensions are down here, folks. You can see it, look. The dimensions are 1280 by 720. Which is kind of like that standard letterbox dimension for most online video capture these days. You can actually grab this, and when you see, if you change the size of that, it's changed it to 1280 by 763. And I'm going to drag that back up again at 720. Let me get it right on the money here. We'll go on. Yeah, there we go. So there we are, 720, okay? So you can see that's the way it works. So that's how you set it up. So you would position your window exactly in the screen in the way you want it. Okay, and when you're ready to record, it's simply a case of hitting the record button. And you get counted down, 3, 2, 1, bang. I'm now recording. So if it were the case that I went back into, let's say, a blog, for instance, and I was making a tutorial video to show my students how to, let's say, go into Appearance and look at widgets, that's what I would do. And everything I do, I would talk through. Sorry, let's click on widgets again. I would talk through what I'm doing, and so I would say, okay, if you are considering how you want to build in features of the jetpack, what you've got to do is drag your jetpack across to the main sidebar and drop it here. And that's what I would do, and I've done that on a number of occasions when I make tutorial videos. So you can see that's the way it works, folks. And when you've finished your video and you've done all your talk through, etc., down here, you should see that you can just see it, there's a little button here to stop the capture. So I stop the capture, and what it does, it sets this window up immediately, and you've got the very top one is what you've just captured. So when you're happy with that, you click on Send to Encoder, which is down in the bottom right hand corner. And what it does is, it sends it to the expression encoder, which transfers or changes your capture into a WMV file. It'll come up in a second. It's just a wee bit slow, as you can see. But I've used Expression for months now, and I did quick, bang, I put it into Expression, I record, and then there's another step once this has encoded, which means that you have to send it to Handbrake. But I'll make a separate video for that. Here we go. Here's the encoder. Your video appears in this space here. Okay, this is it here, folks, your video, and when I want to encode it, I click on Encode, and as you can see, it starts doing it here. So hopefully it wasn't a huge video that, it wasn't a huge video that I recorded, so I'll quickly encode it, and that's the process, well, kind of the step one of two processes that I'm going to make a video for, to show you how you can use Microsoft Expression and then ensure that you have the videos in MP4 file, which you can then upload into YouTube or any other online spaces. You can upload the WMV file as well, but when I'm also using the videos that I create from my laptop, if I don't have web access in any places I present, I like to have the video there with me. So that's how you do that, folks. Okay. There you are.